Namaste. I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are preparing vegan butter chicken using tofu. This recipe ticks all the check marks for an authentic Indian dish as it's hearty, creamy, spicy and so flavorful. And I'll give you the important tips and tricks you need to prepare this at home. So let's get started. I have taken around 500 grams of tofu and we are going to slice it in small pieces. After that, we will start marinating the tofu. Add the tofu pieces to a bowl and then add juice of half a lime, half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use paprika as well. 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Mix everything well. And I almost forgot to add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. I'm using grated but you can use the paste as it coats well. Try to be gentle while coating the tofu so it doesn't break. Marinate the tofu for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's start making the sauce. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter or oil of your choice. Let the butter melt. Then add 1 medium sliced onion and let it cook till the onion turns soft. Make sure to stir it in between so the onion doesn't burn. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for easy and delicious vegan recipes. Look at the change in color. The onion has become soft and slightly golden. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste or grated ginger garlic. Stir and cook for 2 minutes over low heat. Then add 100 grams of soaked cashews, 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything and now we need to cook till the tomatoes turn soft. If you are in a hurry, use tomato puree instead as you will save time in cooking, plus it will bring a beautiful red color to the curry. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add around 100 ml of water or as per your gravy, followed by half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Additionally, you can also add 1 teaspoon of vegan sugar to balance out the flavors, but I prefer it this way. Give it a mix. Turn off the heat and let this cool down before blending. The color of the gravy will turn out better if you let it cool down entirely before blending. Also, it's good for your blender's health. While the gravy cools down, let's cook the marinated tofu. Add 2 teaspoons of oil or vegan butter to the pan. Add the marinated tofu pieces to the pan. You can bake or air fry them as well. Let them cook on one side properly before turning them. We will then stir fry them to make them evenly cooked from all the sides. I'm not looking for a very crispy coating, just a light one. If you want to cook it using an air fryer, check out my other tofu recipe for the exact details. I will list the recipe link in the description section. The tofu is done and we have blended the sauce as well. It's time to filter it. Since this is butter tofu, we need the curry to be silky smooth. Use a strainer or filter to get that rich, silky smooth sauce. Towards the end, you will just be left with some tomato skin and seeds. I have swirled some water in the blender and poured it in the pan to get every last bit of it. Look at the sauce. It's silky smooth. If you want the gravy to look slightly more red, you can add some Kashmiri red chili powder to change the color and it won't affect the spice level of the curry. Now place the pan back on the heat and once it's hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegan butter to it and a teaspoon of vegan cream, which is optional as we have added the cashew and the gravy is already creamy. Now add the tofu and mix everything so it's completely coated with the gravy. Make sure that the heat is set to low so the gravy doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. At this point, you can also add some freshly chopped coriander. For me, this is one of those few recipes or curries I would not want to add coriander or cilantro, as I want to keep this more on a creamier side. Switch off the heat and I'm adding some more vegan cream so it looks pretty. I'm going to add some dried kasuri methi for the flavor. the vegan butter tofu is ready. It's so creamy and the blend of flavors is just perfect. It doesn't have a ton of spices, just a few basic ones, and you'll be surprised how great it tastes. It is also a great dish for special occasions. Just club this with some salad and you will get a full course meal. That wasn't hard, right? Try this easy and delicious vegan butter tofu at home and share your feedback in the comment section. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I used to make this video in the description section. And if you're still looking out for easy vegan meals, check out this playlist right here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting mouth-watering vegan recipe. Until then, bye.